A remarkable aerial operation in the Indian Ocean demonstrated a new level of interoperability between the United Kingdom and India, combining the cutting-edge capabilities of the Royal Navy's F-35B Lightning IIs with the proven combat prowess of Indian Air Force Su-30 Mki and Jaguar aircraft. The mission, executed from HMS Prince of Wales, involved close coordination between carrier-based stealth fighters, land-based multi-role jets, and airborne command and control platforms, including AWACS and AEW&C systems. This operation exemplified a significant evolution in coalition air power, showcasing how fifth-generation aircraft can integrate seamlessly with legacy fourth-generation platforms in complex maritime and air domains. The strategic importance of the mission is multi-layered. The Indian Ocean is a critical maritime corridor, connecting the Middle East, South Asia, and Southeast Asia. It hosts some of the world's busiest shipping lanes, where freedom of navigation and secure sea lines of communication are paramount for regional stability. In this context, the ability of two nations to project coordinated air power, combining sea-based and shore-based assets, sends a strong signal of deterrence and operational readiness. The integration of F-35Bs with Su-30 Mkis and Jaguars under a dual-layer airborne early warning umbrella allows for rapid generation of a recognized air picture, enabling forces to detect, track, and respond to potential threats across vast distances with unprecedented speed and precision. From a technical perspective, the mission highlighted the complementary capabilities of the participating platforms. The F-35Bs low observable design, fused sensors, and advanced multiband data links provide a unique advantage in penetrating contested airspace while relaying real-time intelligence to coalition partners. Su-30 Mkis, with their long-range air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities, high maneuverability, and endurance, offer sustained air dominance and strike options that extend the operational reach of the task force. Jaguars, despite their age, remain highly effective in low-level maritime strike missions, leveraging decades of refined tactics for interdiction and anti-surface operations. The AWACS and AEW&C platforms provide layered situational awareness, ensuring that the combined air package operates with optimal deconfliction, target prioritization, and battle management. Together, these systems create a networked kill chain in which information flows seamlessly from sensor to shooter, enabling coordinated, multi-domain operations without reliance on forward bases ashore. The operational benefits of such integration go beyond raw firepower. By conducting joint exercises that fuse fifth- and fourth-generation assets, both nations are building habits of interoperability that extend to command procedures, communications protocols, and data link discipline. This is particularly important in coalition operations, where disparate platforms must operate cohesively under a unified air picture. The October 14 sortie demonstrated that fifth-generation stealth aircraft can operate in concert with legacy fighters while both types contribute to targeting, reconnaissance, and strike coordination. The mission also provided an opportunity to test electromagnetic emission control (EMCON) procedures, cross-queue targeting, and distributed sensor fusion, all of which are crucial for operating effectively in contested or denied environments. The mission took place within the broader framework of Exercise Konkan 2025, a bilateral carrier strike exercise marking the first time the UK and India deployed full carrier groups in proximity. The Indian carrier INS Vikrant and the UK's HMS Prince of Wales operated simultaneously in the Western Indian Ocean, conducting high-end air and maritime drills that included integrated air defense, anti-surface warfare, and long-range strike missions. The exercise underscored the growing sophistication of carrier operations in the Indo-Pacific and highlighted the operational synergy achievable when carrier-based and shore-based aircraft operate under a unified command and control architecture. By demonstrating that F-35Bs can seamlessly integrate with Su-30 Mkis, Jaguars, and airborne C-2 assets, the exercise confirmed a concept of operations that bridges sea-based and land-based power projection, a capability increasingly essential for regional security. Strategically, the message of this operation is clear to multiple audiences. Regionally, it signals that New Delhi and London can generate a shared air and maritime picture capable of defending critical sea lanes, from the Gulf of Aden to the Malacca Strait. This poses a complex challenge to any actor considering coercive maneuvers, long-range missile strikes, or gray zone interference in the Indian Ocean. Politically, the mission reinforces the UK's sustained Indo-Pacific presence while supporting India's strategy of diversified security partnerships, promoting practical cooperation without formal alliance commitments. Operationally, the integration demonstrates that coalition forces can leverage the strengths of both fifth and fourth-generation platforms, achieving a level of interoperability that enhances deterrence, operational flexibility, and rapid response options. The technical and operational synergy achieved in this mission reflects a maturation in both nations' approaches to coalition air power. F-35Bs offer advanced ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike capabilities optimized for carrier operations and contested airspace. Su-30MKIs provide high-endurance multi-role performance suitable for sustained air superiority and deep strike missions. Jaguars continue to offer proven low-level penetration and maritime strike expertise. The AWACS and AEW&C assets integrate these capabilities into a coherent picture, coordinating operations across multiple domains. This combination allows coalition forces to compress decision-making cycles, coordinate weapon deployment, and maintain a persistent presence in strategically sensitive areas without relying on land-based infrastructure. Beyond tactical considerations, the exercise reflects a broader trend toward network-centric operations in the Indo-Pacific. Modern coalition warfare increasingly relies on fused sensor networks, distributed basing, and integrated command structures to maintain situational awareness and operational advantage. By training together, the UK and India are developing the procedures, trust, and technical compatibility necessary to make this approach routine rather than exceptional. Such training ensures that in times of crisis, coalition air power can be generated quickly, efficiently, and effectively, providing both strategic deterrence and operational options across the full spectrum of maritime and aerial threats. The October 14 sortie also serves as a template for future air-maritime integration. It demonstrates that carrier-based stealth jets can operate in close coordination with land-based fighters and airborne command platforms, enabling complex, multi-domain operations in contested environments. This approach strengthens the credibility of coalition air power, as it allows for rapid deployment, persistent presence, and precise targeting while minimizing the risk of operational friction between different generations of aircraft. The exercise proves that modern coalition operations are no longer about individual capabilities but about creating a synchronized, networked force capable of rapid, informed decision-making. Ultimately, the mission illustrates how UK and Indian forces are moving beyond symbolic demonstrations toward practical, scalable interoperability. The ability of F-35Bs to share an air picture with Su-30MKIs, Jaguars, and dual-layer early warning assets represents a substantive advancement in operational capability. It confirms that coalition air power in the Indian Ocean is evolving to leverage advanced sensors, distributed command, and multi-domain integration as routine tools, rather than exceptional achievements. This progression not only enhances deterrence but also ensures that both nations can respond rapidly to emerging threats, protect critical sea lanes, and maintain regional stability in one of the world's most strategically vital maritime theaters. In conclusion, the October 14, 2025, operation in the Indian Ocean demonstrates a significant leap in coalition air power, showcasing the UK and India's ability to operate across generations of aircraft with integrated command and control. The combination of fifth-generation stealth fighters, fourth-generation multi-role jets, and layered airborne early warning assets exemplifies a mature concept of networked operations, enabling rapid, credible, and flexible responses in a contested maritime environment. As coalition air power continues to evolve, such exercises will become increasingly central to maintaining regional stability, projecting credible deterrence, and demonstrating that interoperability, trust, and technical sophistication can turn presence into actionable combat power.